App Creator General Overview. Okay, so when you come into your back office, which is here, and you click on your App Creator, it's going to open up this window. Okay, this is your dashboard. It's going to show you all of the apps that you've already created. This is how you edit the name. This is how you make a copy of your app. It's going to show up like this if you make a copy. This is how you delete it. If you want to create a new one, you just simply click here and put a name and press create. Okay, this is where you go back to your dashboard. This is how you access your account information. Just basic information you can fill out again for yourself. This is access management. I'll go into how this works in a later tutorial. This is how you log out, and this is how you change the language in your app. If we come back to our dashboard here, we're going to see, this is just placeholder information, but we're going to see the total number of visits we have on all of our applications, how many people actually installed them. This is going to give us analytics by the month and by how many here. We also have a pie graph here, or a circle graph. We have our top installs, so if you have multiple apps, you'll see the name here and how many they have installed, and the top visits for each app as well. Okay, we'll go into further details in the next tutorial. Thank you.